top 5 methods to keep you happy in life. In today's video, we will quickly share with you 5 ways in making you happy in life. Now let's keep the ball rolling. Life is short, but if you take the right steps, it can be fun. Follow these 5 simple steps to make yourself happy if only you put these simple steps into action starting today. With the help of happiness expert and New York Times best-selling author Dr. Neil D. Hagen, here are 5 steps that will make you the happiest person on the planet. Learn more about him. Let us get right into the list. Step 1. Make sure you get enough sleep. Allow yourself at least 8 hours of sleep every night to keep your mood and body refreshed. Sleep is necessary to maintain a positive attitude and high energy levels. Sleep is a biological process that allows the body and mind to recover after a long day. During sleep, the release of neurotransmitters, such as serotonin, which is important for mood regulation, increases. Sleep deprivation has been linked in studies to weight gain, obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and mental health problems. Having enough time to relax is beneficial and very important to us humans. Step 2. Smile. Smile as much as possible, even if it is fake at first, since it will eventually become real to make you feel happier. Research has shown that forcing a smile actually releases endorphins in the brain. It is common to see people forcing a smile when they are feeling sad. This is because it has been scientifically proven that this can actually help the brain release endorphins in response to stress. Endorphins are chemicals that have a relaxing and calming effect on the body. So by forcing a smile, you are actually releasing them into your body and alleviating some of your sadness. Step 3. Express gratitude. Put your hand over your heart and express appreciation for everything in your life that makes you happy or enhances your life in any way. This may be anything from a friend who listens to you when you need it to a pet that keeps you company when no one else can. This is a prompt for a gratitude list. You may want to start with at least 3 things you are grateful for and then work your way up to them once in a while. But below are some examples. 1. Your family. 2. The ability to be alive. 3. The kindness of strangers. Those are the only 3 I can list for myself personally. You may also build your own list of things that make you smile on a daily basis. Now to the next step, 4. Exercise regularly to keep your body healthy. Exercising regularly is one of the most important things you can do to keep your body healthy. Not only does it release endorphins that make you feel happier and more relaxed, but it also helps maintain a healthy weight, improves your mood, and strengthens your immune system. Talking about healthy life, we also have to eat good food as well. For a healthy life, we need to eat good food. But for many people, cooking is a chore and they don't enjoy it. Today's technology can help with that problem, as there are apps that can guide you through the process of cooking and make you feel like a professional chef. You could start by getting an app that helps you plan out your week's meals in advance. 5. Establish a trustworthy relationship with a few of your pals. Whoever said you cannot have your cake and eat it too has obviously never had a bad day. As corny as it may seem, nothing beats a good buddy for providing the support you require. Whatever the case may be, rest certain that at least one friend will be there for you when you need him or her. It is beneficial to have friends in one's life. It's much better if you have someone who will always be there for you, regardless of what happens. But how can you tell whether someone is truly a friend? Friendships are really important. They might be the ones you depend on when everything around you seems to be coming apart. People who come to your aid and stand by you when you don't need them to. They are the ones that recognize you for who you are, rather than who they want you to be. People who are joyful have a higher quality of life and are in better health. You must have high self-esteem and self-confidence if you want to be happy. Finding your life's purpose is also crucial since it gives your life meaning. To feel fulfilled, you should also schedule some time for creation. Finally, you must ensure that you do not overwork yourself and that you do not take on too many responsibilities. This concludes our video, but before you leave, please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like this. It's free, and share the wonderful video you just watched, as well as leaving your comments below. Thank you, and see you in the next one.